Other breaking news coming in. Sub-Divisional Magistrate of Gul area of Ramban district, Imtiaz Ahmed, speaks on the aftermath of the cloudburst and landslide in Ramban. He stated that the flash flood damaged 37 houses and a temple, and adding to that, which he said there was a huge loss of property, but no lives were lost, and several cattle are also reportedly missing. Let's in fact listen into what he said.
एरिया है जो धर्मकुंड में डिस्ट्रिक्ट रामबन में कल मॉर्निंग में ही यहाँ पे क्लाउड बर्स्ट हुआ और इस क्लाउड बर्स्ट की जद में आपने देखा होगा, अपने विजुअल्स में भी बताया होगा कि जो भी यहाँ के रिहायशी लोग थे उनकी प्रॉपर्टी है तकरीबन वो डैमेज हो चुकी है। और इस वक्त जो हमने असेसमेंट की है, जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन असेसमेंट की है, उसमें अराउंड 37 जो मकान है वो डैमेज हो चुके हैं कम्प्लीटली। इसमें से कुछ सीवियरली डैमेज है और कुछ कम्प्लीटली डैमेज है। और जो भी लोगों की बिलोंगिंग्स थी लोकल, जो जिसका किसी के बर्तन थे, किसी के एनिमल्स थे या फिर कोई मेडिसन या छोटा मोटा इसमें जो भी सामान था वो सारा बह चुका है। आपको पता है चिनाब रिवर साथ में है, तो इनके जो जानवर थे लाइव स्टॉक वो भी रिपोर्टेडली कहते हैं कि वो भी मिसिंग है, बह गए।
A colleague Ajay Jandal is back with us. Ajay, in terms of the restoration work, what exactly is the assessment report revealing? How many houses and infrastructure and other areas, the temples, how far have they been damaged? And what exactly, when we're talking about the Indian Army also set up camps as well, what exactly are the details that are coming in?
Yes, Indian Army, they have set up multiple, camps over there to restore the highway, to clear the landslide from the location in Ramban and other part of the highway. And other than that, NDRF teams and SDRF teams are on the job, and major challenge is definitely to see that if there is any life, which basically is there inside the garbage, that has to be seen, because the number of vehicles which basically worried under that landslide houses, they need to be cleared first. JCB machines and other machines, they are working around the clock to clear that mud from that location, so that it can be rectified. The army is providing food and other things to the people, those who are basically flood affected and are landslide affected, because more than 250 people have been shifted to a temporary shelter in Ramban, so that they can be provided food and they can at least survive for the time being till their houses are totally restored. And authorities say that we will try to compensate all the people, those who are affected in this flash floods and landslide in Ramban and adjoining areas.
All right, Ajay, thank you so much.